Lavanya from Lexus and Company, working as an intern. Today I'll be talking about agreement with the minor. Under the Indian Contract Act 1872, it is important or the contracts with the minors. First of all, talking about the contractual capacity, Section 11 of Indian Contract Act 1872 explains the requirements for competency for entering into the contracts. Individual or entities can create contracts only if they meet these requirements. Section 11, however, lays down certain exceptions. For example, minors, person of unsound mind, and those whom the law specifically disqualifies as the exceptions. Now, what is agreement with the minor parties? Section 11 states that only persons who have attained majority according to the law are competent to contract. In India, the Indian Majority Act 1875 declares the age of majority of all persons to be 18 years. If a minor has a guardian or court ward looking after him, his age of majority becomes 21 years. A very important case that has explained this issue is Mori Bibi versus Damodar Ghosh. In this case, a minor had borrowed some money from a moneylender by mortgaging his house. The moneylender then moved to take the possession of the minor's house when he defaulted the payment. The court, however, said that an agreement with the minor party is void ab initio, which is void from the beginning. Indian courts have repeatedly used this judgment to abrogate minors from contractual obligations. Hence, minors cannot enter into an agreement unless some legal provisions allows them. There are certain rules which relate to the agreement with the minor parties. First being the contract with the minor is void and no obligations can ever arise out of it. The minor party cannot ratify the contract upon attaining the majority unless a law specifically mentions that. No court can allow specific performance of contract with the minors because it is void together. The Partnership Act also prohibits minors from becoming partners in the firm. The rule of estoppel under the evidence law does not apply to minors under the contractual obligations. In other words, even if minor forms a contract claiming majority age, legal obligations cannot arise against him.